Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a nice geometry problem. We have a line. The length of this line is 2 units and there is a perpendicular line on this line which is 1 unit. And now construct a circle. This circle passes through these 2 points and the radius of this circle lies on this line. We have to find the area of this circle. At first, consider the radius of this circle is r. So this line indicates the radius. So this will be r. This is the radius. As this total length is 2 units and this is r, so rest of this length, this will be 2 minus r unit. Now join the center of this circle and this point. As the radius of this circle is r and this line also indicate the radius of this circle, so this length will also be r. As these two lines are perpendicular to each other, so this angle will be 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. Now apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. We can write this base square. So 2 minus r whole square plus this height square, which is 1 square, is equal to this hypotenuse, which is r square. Or applying formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square, we can write this 2a square minus this 2 times this 2 times this r plus this r square, and this 1 square is 1 is equal to right side, this is r square. Or this 2 square will be 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4 times r, this is 4r, plus this r square plus this 1, and taking this r square to left side, we will get negative r square is equal to right side will be 0. Or this r square and r square will cancel out, and 4 plus 1, this is 5 minus this 4r is equal to right side is 0. Or this 4r is equal to this 5. Now divided both sides by 4, we will get the value of r is equal to this 5 over this 4. This is the radius of this circle. So the area of this circle will be pi times r square. This is the formula of a circle's area. So substitute this value, we will get this pi times r is equal to 5 over 4 and square is equal to pi times 5 square is 25 over 4 square is 16. So this will be 25 pi over this 16, and This is the area of this circle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.